Hey guys, this is Afaq back with another short tutorial on SolidWorks part modeling. In this video, we'll be doing a simple 3D geometry modeling using this 2D drawing. So let's get started. Click on part modeling. I'll change my appearance setting. I like plain white background. So coming back to drawing, we are having a third angle projection. So this is the front view, this is top view, this is right view. As we can see, the middle portion is symmetric about the mid plane and whole geometry is being available in the top view. So I'll be going with the top view. Select the top plane, click on sketch. Now see, this is a kind of rectangle. Here, this till here to this portion, 165 is the width and this is the diameter of the circle. So this is 165 by 50. So make a rectangle. Click on smart dimensions. This is 50 and the length is 165. Click on enter. Now on the front portion we are having a semicircle, so it's very easy. Click on center point arc as we are having the center. Click on midpoint, click on one edge, then connect it to the another edge. So now we are done with the semicircle. So it is black, means it is already defined. We can either trim it, but if we'll trim it, we'll lose the relation. So better make it construction line. Yes. So now we are having a complete geometry. Click on exit sketch, extrude. As you can see from the front plane, the thickness of this portion here it is given 10 mm. So we'll click. SolidWorks usually takes 10 mm whatever you apply feature, either extrude, brace, anything. So 10 is already applied here. Now we won't be selecting blind as it will be extruding this on this side of the plane, not on another side. But since we are having a symmetric geometry, so we'll be using this mid plane. So using this mid plane, if we are applying 10 mm thickness, so as the name suggests mid plane, so it will be distributing 5 mm thickness on one side and 5 mm on another side. So click on OK. Data coincident but not too much. Okay, so we are having an error here. We need to check something in the geometry. Click on edit sketch. Since we have drawn a circle from outside, so tangency was not taken, so we have to apply the tangency here and here also. Whenever we are connecting some circle kind of feature with a straight line, or in simple terms an arc with a straight line, we have to apply the tangent relation as it closes the boundary. So this should fix the error which we are getting there. Now again click on sketch, extrude. Yeah, select the mid plane, thickness 10 mm. Okay, so we are done with the basic. It's looking very weird, so you can apply the perspective view. Yeah, now this looks good. So now we will try to make this front portion. Okay, so this is a kind of straight slot. The dimension is being given 20 mm is width and 25 mm is the distance between the centers of two semicircle. So click on the top surface. Okay, we won't be doing on the top surface as again it is a symmetric feature on the both the sides. So we'll be making on this. If we were having this on this one side only, then we could have done easily using this. We could have done using making a sketch on this portion only, but since it is a symmetric feature, so we'll be again doing on the plane. Which plane? This one. Yeah, top plane. Click on sketch. Press Ctrl+8 to make it normal. So now we'll be making a straight slot here. Select the center point so that we can trace it, and our slot will be made on a straight line in the mid portion. Okay, click OK. Now we're having the dimension of 20 mm thickness and 25 mm between the two centers. So click on smart dimensions. This is 20. Make it 20. Enter. And the distance between the two centers were 25 mm. Okay. Now make a semicircle, 3-point arc, center point arc from this point to this point, and then again make all these 4 points vertical. Make the dimension, this is same as this one, so it was having 50 mm diameter, it will also be having, this is overdriven because it has already been defined, but what we need to do is again the same thing. Okay, so for making it relation with the edges, we have to convert the edges of this body into a sketch. So click on convert entities, select this line, and this line. So now the edges has been converted into a sketch. Now click on this one, control, select this edge, click on tangent. Same thing goes on the below portion, this one, click on tangent. Now remove the unnecessary portion. So we are having a complete sketch now. And make it this, and this lines vertical. So now the sketch has been fully defined. Exit the sketch. We have to just extrude it. Again selecting the mid plane. And the thickness is 35 mm. So now this portion is done. There is a hole in this center thing. So click on sketch, control 8. Again we have to make the boundaries as a sketch. So click on convert entities. It has been converted. Yeah. Exit sketch. Now use the feature extrude cut. Blind. So now the hole has been created throughout. Now we have to make this portion. This is a 2 circles. One is having 50 mm diameter, another is having 25 mm diameter. So, and this is at a distance of 55.50 from the top, this top face of this mid plane, and is at a 25 mm distance from the edge. So let's make it. We'll be using front plane, sketch, control 8, then make a diameter, make 2 circles, concentric, outer diameter 50 and inner diameter is 25. Now this is at the distance of 55.50. And here it is at 25 mm, so that the edges align with the circle edge, align with this body edge. Click on OK. Now the sketch is fully defined. Exit sketch. Now this is having a thickness of, this is a portion 30 mm. So extrude pass. Again we'll be using mid plane. Make it 30. Enter. Okay, so we are done with this. Now we have to make this T kind of portion. There is a rectangle kind of this portion. This is a rectangle from here to here. It is having 10 mm thickness and height is 8 mm. So click on this plane, sketch, control 8. Now I'll be making one rectangle. The width is 10 mm. Now since it is symmetric with this plane, so again we have to convert this edge into a sketch. So click on convert entities, select this feature, enter. Now remove the unnecessary portion, trim entities, just trim it. Now make, this will move. Oh, that's dangerous. So we will align with this. We can align with this also, and this line. Point. Select this point and this point. Make it horizontal. Okay, so the fluctuation in the vertical axis is fixed. Now we can align with this, selecting this line and this edge, make it collinear. So now the sketch is fully defined. Exit sketch. Okay, this edge is left, so it won't allow us to extrude the portion. Trim entities. Yeah, so now the sketch is fully defined and it is a closed boundary. Click on extrude close. Select this sketch, extrude. Height was 8 mm. Enter. So we are done with this part. Now only last portion is left, which is a kind of rib. So just we have to connect with the edges of this circle, and this portion and this portion, and it is having a fillet of 18 mm radius. So again, select the front plane, click on sketch, make it perpendicular, click on line, select the outer edge, this line, skip, again select line, this portion and this portion. To make it complete loop, click on this point and this point. To make it a complete portion, we need to convert this feature into a sketch. So again, we'll be doing the same thing, convert entities. So this is converted into a sketch. Remove the unnecessary portion. Now make this line and this line tangent. Again this line and this line tangent. Yeah, our sketch is fully defined and it is a closed loop. So exit sketch, and it was having a thickness of 10, I think. Yeah, this goes here, so it is having a thickness of 10 mm. Extrude pose, select again mid plane, make it 10. Now the only portion is left, fillet. Select the edge, apply the radius as 18. Yeah, so we are done with the part. Now we can apply some feature here. We can apply the metallic properties. Click on steel, double click. It's not loading, I think. We'll do it again. Edit feature, yes, metal, steel, polycystic, yes, just again. Change the background. Yeah. So that's it, guys. We're done with this video. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.